Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with a 12 by 24 inch canvas that I have pre-primed. Now, a lot of times when I want a black canvas, I pre-prime it by dribbling some paint and then dragging my spatula through and having some fun. I even take a photograph now and again. So I kind of wanted to do that this time with some colored paint. And also some pre-stained wood conditioner on a spatula. But we'll see what happens, because I'm not done yet. And if I put too much paint down, it could be a problem. I kind of like that, and I think I'm going to let it be joined by either some of this blue. Yeah, why don't we try the blue? That's a Venetian blue from Modern Masters. And one more. I've got an amethyst from from Artist Loft. Alright, that's already more paint than I usually put on, but I'm going to take one of my spatulas right now. And just try and see what happens. Because I can. Now, I haven't used any of the pre-stained wood conditioner yet, and I really want to. I'm going to leave that paint right there. I'm going to use my little spatula, my Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula. I'm really nervous about this. That's cool. I like the black in there. I've got paint I can get rid of on my spatula. I'm going to wipe this off in between. I've got a little, this was my my dregs that I scrape out of my dish at the end of the day. I might want to go back to the larger spatula again. In fact, I do. I'm going to pour some of that right along the blade of my spatula. And go. I'm not sure it's working yet, but I'm here, so I'm going to play with it until I figure out what I want. And what I kind of want right now is a different color added in here. I'm scraping off the blade of my spatula using the colors that are left over to cover the edge. Because why not? I always say because I can, and that's the name of my first book on my Amazon link. My Amazon link is on my link tree. My link tree is under the video. I don't mind this, but I think I want some real black. You were open a second ago. You'll be open in a moment. Pull that plug right out of the top. There we go. I am almost done, with the possible exception of adding that color I was thinking about, and it's not a done deal that I'm going to actually do that, as it would be a very different color. But I do have enough paint on my spatula. Gosh, I want to try that color so bad. Where are you, color? If I put it in, Here, there, or everywhere. No, now I started imagining another color. That's dangerous. Okay, so I'm going to go back to using the smaller spatula again and hope it's okay. Yep, I like it. I like it with the red. That's a folk art color shifting red. Got a little more. That was a lot more. That may not come up. That may not sell. But I'm pretty happy with this very abstract, very modern, contemporary piece of artwork. It's got some interesting things going on. And I could probably make some more interesting things go on if I was willing to risk putting my little spatula in there and make some textural marks, which is something I really do like doing a lot. And stealing paint. You can always count on me for stealing paint. So no dots, just slashes. I'm liking this. It's not anything like what I imagined. Nothing at all. But I think I'm almost done with it, whatever it is. And I can go around the edges and I can take the colors that are above on the surface of the painting and I can use those colors on the edges to fill in so nobody will need a frame. I'm going to steal a little paint from right here. Put it right there. Okay, so this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, thinking silver might have been nice. But I like what I've got. Thank you for joining me. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for liking my videos. Thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you for watching my videos longer. Thank you for shopping my Amazon link at no added cost to you. You can shop there and it helps me buy art supplies eventually. Really appreciate that. My link tree is below the video. Underneath Show More is my paint pouring recipe and my email address should you be interested in purchasing an artwork, which hasn't happened for me for a little while, so it would be really cool if somebody decided they wanted to help support the studio by adding to their art collection. I see that puddle of blue and it's calling me. I just want to use it. Can't help it. Should I put some dots in? Probably not. I don't think they'd really hurt anything, but it's nice to think that I could get away without doing that. Okay, so I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. There are some cells in there. This is just really sort of modern day, mid-century modern combo. And thank you for joining me. And check out my Legallerist, my new fashion line. It's the first link on the link tree, and it's got beautiful patterns that I picked on beautiful dresses from Montreal. My community board has tomorrow's video on it. My Teespring clothing below the video has Oliver print leggings and Oliver print t-shirts for much less money than Legallerist, but a lot larger selection. My Pixels.com and Fine Art America are on the link tree, and there's 1,400 items there divided into like bazillions of things. You can find whatever you want. If you need a link for anything, ask me. I have my playlists, 19 or 20 playlists with 100 each videos and by topic and genre. If you can't find what you're looking for, feel free to ask me. And if you have a question, same thing. Feel free to ask me. I told you my email address is below the video. If you have questions, ask me. I'll talk to you guys anon. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. saying, maybe I should zoom in even closer, because this is a lot of fun. Makes me want to do what I just did with color. I just want to do with black and white again and keep it this next time. Alright, I post 7 days a week, and so far at the moment Friday, Saturday, and Sunday night at 10 p.m. also. Times change in the daytime, but the weekend hours stay the same. Take care of each other. I told you that. Bye for now. I'll see you anon. Priscilla out.